Hi, I'm Don. Welcome to my channel. Today we finished the painting of this Spellcrow merchant's house. Also, if you haven't already, do subscribe to this channel, and you could also join the channel and be part of our Discord community. I have two older videos of this one already. I have a video of the wood painting and the stone wall painting. You could check them out. I'll put the links on top. We start with olive brown. It's a nice dark color that is perfect to paint over black primer. It's not too red unlike other browns, so I kinda like the contrast it gives with the stone walls. Now we paint with heavy green. If you've been watching my videos, I really like these extra opaque colors because they're very opaque and they're perfect for painting over black primer. Normally I'll say 2 thin coats, but we're painting groundwork and I'm a bit hasty, so we're painting thick coats and dry brushing along the edges to blend it with the olive brown. As you can see, it's really opaque, so extra opaque paints are perfect for hasty painters like me. Now we want more vibrancy with the grasswork, so we're painting with German camo green. This is a bit less saturated than lime green, but it's very saturated too. The cam green will desaturate as it dries, so don't worry, just paint it over and then as it dries it will like tone down a bit. Now we paint English uniform. We want to like bring up, or like paint over the pathway, make it more visible and more obvious because it was too dark. It was just olive brown, and then we paint medium gray to further like lighten up the pathway, so it looks like sandy like pathway already. So I'm just dry brushing over the pathway and bring up all those colors. Never worry with overdoing lighter colors because you could always tone it down with washes. Now we paint with golden olive. This is a really bright yellow-green color. I'm just dry brushing over the grass work, like the groundwork that looks like grass, giving it a nice texture, bringing out the texture paint that we applied like earlier in the build. Once happy with the golden olive, now we paint the pathway with dark sand. Similar with the golden olive, we're dry brushing over the pathway, just giving it a lighter tone, giving it a very dry look. Also important to note that the Spellcrow merchant's house doesn't come with the groundwork. I added the groundwork with blue foam and made it like part of the model. Now we're doing finishing touches with Vallejo scenery tufts. The tufts do have a self-adhesive, but I like adding a drop of wood glue before I place the tufts. The wood glue is definitely optional because the tufts do have self-adhesion. I'm really happy at this point because I finally had the excuse to use this like pink fire tufts, because normally you wouldn't add them to my Death Guard and my Poxwalkers and stuff like that, so I was really happy I was able to add them here. Now I need an excuse to use the blue fantasy tufts. There are other fantasy colors which kinda very situational. It depends where you will add them. You should really check the Vallejo scenery. They come in different sizes per pack. In one pack you get to have a bit of variation with the sizes of the tufts, and also it comes with like 3 sizes, like small one, a medium, and a really large one. As you can see, I added like a large tuft there. Now we use a couple of weathering effects paints to finish off this project. First, we use the wet effects to give a more wet look to the parts that are supposedly wet, and then after applying the wet effects around the barrel and stuff, we use moss and lichen. Moss and lichen I applied around the supposedly wet areas, or basically just to give a point of interest around the areas between the merchant's house and the groundwork. So that's about it. I hope you like this series of videos, the wood painting, the stone wall painting, and now the groundwork. Do subscribe and like this video. subscribe to my channel and like this video. It would help a lot to grow the channel. Also, you could leave a comment for video suggestions so that I know what to focus on the next time and try to improve the video further. Lastly, I'm inviting you to join the channel, because if you join the channel, you'll help me a lot in producing more videos for you, because you're kind of paying for it. So also, if you join the channel, you'll have access to our Discord community. So see you there. So that's it. I hope you like the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that stuff. Until next update, guys. Saludos! Hi, I'm Don. Welcome to my channel.